Today I'm gonna make the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. I have some sequins, more sequins, glitter, 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 hook line, glue, shaving cream, and activator. Now get started with the glue. Open it. Open that can. Can you help me open this, Mom?
Yeah.
Thank you. I couldn't get it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Add this in. Next, I think I'm gonna add some sequins. Backside. There we go. Add the ingredients in. Have one more bag of it. One more survivor. Look. I think I'm kind of stirring very carefully so it can be all even. Next, I'm gonna add some glitter. Which one should I do? I think I'm gonna go for this one right here. Got that. Might have more. Mix it. A little more. Next, I think I'm planning to shoot. These ones are more pastel, so I have a choice for blue, purple, pink, or orange. From the regular colors, there's blue, green, yellow, and red. I think I'm gonna go with teal. See how that is at first? Stir. I'm gonna add a little green. It's sweet. Hopefully it doesn't take all of the teal. Like the tealish, greenish. Take the teal. Mix that in. Next, I think I'm going to some shaving cream. Let me cap this very quickly. More food coloring because it's turning white because the shaving cream. Bad extra. Get emotional. I'm just gonna smoke this one. Extra fluffy. should do one of these again, you should comment down below. A little more correct, just a smidge. Teal. I'll wash you with my hands. Keep pass me and I can. Thank you. A little bit more. Come on. Too much. Might be too much for that. That's actually good. Next, I'm gonna add some activator. And maybe some more glitter. First of all, glitter. Stir, stir, stir. More glitter. There you go. I think that's enough glitter. That's a good amount of glitter. That was a little activator at first. When it starts sticking off the bowl, that means it's ready. Almost ready. That might be a little too much, but these are sticking off the bowl. That also don't get my hand again. If I should do it after one of this, comment down below. But it does have to be the Dollar Tree one. I'll do the cyber review at 3, 2, 1. Here's my slime. Finally, what's a stunning, so pretty. I love the teal color. It's a good crunchy slime because the little things, sequins, so fluffy. I'll try to do bubble. 3, 2, 1. That's a small bubble. Try to do big bubble. It's a little sticky. But I can always add more activator. Just it's good slime quality. Really, really, really fluffy. It only costs $1, $2, $8, $4, $5, $6, $7. That almost. But after all of this is some pretty good slime. I love it. So fluffy. Also, I like to do sequins when they pop. They're so pretty. Like when they pop out, they're so pretty. I'm trying to do other bubble. 3, 2, 1. Yay. That's a pretty decent one. So sticky, but so pretty at the same time. Oops, that possible stick stuck in there. here's the outro of this video. This is a pretty good slime. If you want me to do this again, comment down below. Or if you don't, like it and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.